Let's now head over to the Kenya Power, where Kenya Power is installing perching, deterrents and the configuration of power lines to reduce the increasing cases of electrocution of large-bodied bird species. Kenya Power says electrocution of birds is common in Naivasha, Kinangop, Dandora, Nakuru and Magadi, and mostly involves large-bodied birds such as pelicans, owls, flamingos, cranes and marabou storks.
Electrocution of birds on power lines has long been a significant cause of bird mortality, killing as many as 11.6 million birds annually globally, including some endangered species, according to a study done by the New Jersey Division of Fish and Wildlife. Besides the impact on bird populations, electrocutions cause power outages and damage the electricity networks. Locally, Kenya Power is putting measures in place to prevent avian electrocution, such as installation of perching deterrents and reconfiguration of power lines. Kenya Power Acting Managing Director Engineer Geoffrey Moli says the utility firm has rerouted the 33 kilovolt power line outside Lake Nakuru National Park to prevent death of flamingos and pelicans within the park. He says work is ongoing to relocate the 132 kilovolt power line near the park to run along the Kenya Wildlife Services fence in order to provide enough clearance for the birds as they take off or land at Lake Nakuru National Park. In Kinangop, Engineer Muli says the process of changing the design of a 3-kilometer stretch on the 33 kilovolt power line serving the area is ongoing with the aim of providing enough space to enable the endangered grey-crested African cranes to maneuver with ease. Kenya Power has installed reflector balls on pylon tops, pole tops and substation structures at Juja Road and Magadi Soda substations to prevent the marabou storks from perching on the structures. The utility firm has converted the Juja Road substation into a gas-insulated substation, thus minimizing the risk of electrocution of birds within the Dandora area. Ndusamo Kami for Lunchtime News.